Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this TPMS system here. This one here is a six connector system. And the way these things are super cool. If you haven't used these before, the way it works is you have this little screen here. Oh wow, that's really good. Okay, I have my screen that is gonna be telling me my tire pressure. And then these little devices here, this is number 6. So if I say I want to, to put it on here, I can just open this up here, take off the little screw cap on it, screw on this here, and these things, they just work like through batteries or whatever. But then, and then I screw it on, cost a little bit of air, and then I can turn on the little device here. There we go. And then it's gonna go and check all the different tire pressures, and eventually it will tell us what our tire pressure is. And right now it is, I don't even know, it's not set on anything here, but I'll show you guys some of the stuff here. It has a USB-C connector, so I can, or actually micro USB connector, so I can just plug it in through USB, or it also has solar. So as it's sitting on my dashboard and whatever, it'll be connecting it through solar. I wonder if I have to connect it up through number 1 to start. Let me go and see. Where do I have to, oh, there, now it's doing something. So it says it's on, I don't know what bar is. I have to change it to PSI somehow. Let me see. Okay, so it's got different settings in here. PSI, there it's set. I just held down the button to change it. And then this is all the different other settings, I guess. And so, I don't know how to get out of it. I think I can just, I don't want to change that anymore. PSI. Let's see how we get out of it now. Can you guys see what it's doing here? Okay. Oh, and now, I had it on Celsius. I'll have to change that too. Let's see. So then I push this. Push this. Fahrenheit. Select it. I don't know how to get out of the settings. That's gonna be my one thing. There we go. So now we are set for PSI and Fahrenheit. So it says 75, it says 82, 80. It's got the different temperatures for the different nuggets. I don't know if it's because I'm on numbers. I have number 6 plugged in. I haven't done even number 1 yet. Let me go find number 1. Here's 1. I'm gonna switch this out for number 1. And then we will see if that works. Oh, it's beeping now. It knows it's too low. Okay. So here we go. So let's see now. Let's see if we get this. Yeah, it's number 6 right there. It said it was at 0.4. I guess that's where it was at, is inside there. So now we have number 1 on here, and number 1 is at 65 PSI. I didn't realize the other ones were those ones inside there. That's what the numbers were before. So number 6 is that one right there, and it's at 0.4. So we are at 65 PSI on this tire, and it looks like it should be, I don't know. I'd have to look at the door hinge, I guess. But pretty cool, nice little setup, very cool. Thumbs up. Very nice to have one of these TPMS systems.